Roku versus Firestick, all you need to know. Being the one whose daily routine doesn't miss to encompass the joy of streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and HBO Max, you must have confronted the hassle of choosing between one from Roku versus Firestick bout. While both devices let you stream countless movies and episodes, live sports, music, and more, there are always factors and differences to consider which make one better than the other. Roku and Firestick are renowned streaming devices, but each has its own streaming capabilities, hardware and design, price and value, user experience, content offerings, and app connectivity. At the end of the day, your choice should be driven by your individual needs and preferences. Key aspects to evaluate between Roku and Firestick: technical architecture, user interface, apps, gaming, and voice assistant. The key features between Roku and Firestick. This table comprises all the aspects that cause the differences between their features and specifications. In terms of ecosystem, Firestick prioritizes Amazon services because it's tied to Amazon, while Roku is neutral and supports various services. The software that Firestick offers is Fire TV OS, while Roku offers Roku OS. In terms of picture quality, Firestick offers up to 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and Dolby Atmos, while Roku offers up to 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and Dolby Vision. The app connectivity for Firestick offers Amazon App Store, while Roku offers Roku Channel Store. The hardware options for Firestick are compact HDMI dongle, while Roku offers dongles, set-top boxes, and smart TVs. For voice control, Firestick supports only built-in Alexa voice control, while Roku supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple. The price for Firestick lies between $39.99 to $119.99, whereas Roku offers between $29.99 and $99.99. These aspects should be considered to make a well-informed decision and pick the best streaming device that meets your needs.